day, friends and viewers. This is Marcelo Abel Jr., a third-year BCHM students of Colegio de La Salle, your chef for today. So, for today's cooking vlog is a partial requirements for French cuisine subject. So, I will be cooking a French dish called cote de boye. So, let's go, guys.
So here's the ingredients: garlic, salt and pepper, butter, oil, parsley, and beef. That's all the ingredients for cooking cote de boya. Now we will season it in salt and pepper. I'm going to serve it on one side, and when I'm cooking the meat, I'm going to baste the fat over the meat. And then I'm going to flip the meat on the other side. And then I'm going to add some butter inside the pan. And also some garlic and parsley. And I'm going to continuing basting the meat. And also in the other side of the meat. So we are done cooking. So I will going to set aside this to cool down. Then the meat will need to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can slice.